Mashabe Zulu sithanda ukubingelela igama lami nguThulwana kwaNkala. Namhlanje siyethulela udaba olukhulu kakhulu oluhlasimulisa umzimba uzwe igazi ligijima. Kunabantu akade behambise ubaba uSibangilizwe Nkomo ecourt bezama ukumvimba ukuthi ancintise ku Congress for presidential position ye ZAPU. Kodwa ke sithanda ukusho ukuthi lucithiwe icourt lolo daba. Abantu okuyibo akade bemhambise kule nkantolo ngumnumzana Matthew Sibanda, former chairperson we South Province, ubeno Mildred Mnkandla, umka baba Nkandla Secretary General we ZAPU njengamanje, ngithi outgoing Secretary General. Ubebambile nje kodwa ke kuyazakala ukuthi ngesikhathi sokhetho bekumele abeke phansi kodwa kazange wafiphisa ukuthi abeke phansi. Yikho abantu abaningi becabanga ukuthi le court case yena nguye obevele man behind the scenes. Bakhona abanye akade behambisana nalabo uMatthew Sibanda noMildred Mnkandla, okufana noAckem Nkala lo obe security guard lo ku ZAPU. Kubuye futhi uErnest Ndlovu. Ngizolidlalela ivideo ka Ernest Ndlovu. Kubuye futhi uFrance Ndlovu no Gideon Dlamini. Siyajabula ke ukuthi silethulele udaba lolu ke nanka ama videos asinikeza imiphumela yenkantolo ihlaba icitha lolu daba. Siyabonga.
My name is Mthulisi Hanana. Amongst other things, I've been the Secretary for Administration for the Sibangilizwe Nkomo campaign. What we have seen here is an attempt by some people and members of the party that wanted to divert the will of the people, that wanted to make sure that they capture the party using the courts. But we are grateful today that the courts have made the right decision. They have made sure that the people of ZAPU will be able to express their will undeterred, without fear, which is what ZAPU fought for, so that our people will be able to vote for the leaders that they want. So today we have a victory, and that victory is for not only for Comrade Nkomo, it's not only for his camp, it's a victory for ZAPU, it is a victory for the people of Zimbabwe, it is a victory for justice in Zimbabwe. So we are ready to make sure that Comrade Nkomo becomes the next president. The few people that wanted to disrupt the process are just a few individuals. The bulk of the people, the majority of the people of ZAPU are firmly and strongly behind Comrade Nkomo. And as you know, according to our constitution, those that take the party to court have consequences, which we are going to discuss as enshrined in the constitution.
My name is Prince Pushe. I'm a lawyer at Matabeleland Law Chambers. In these proceedings, I was representing the second respondent, namely Sibangilizwe Nkomo. Well, we got the application last night. We were only able to see our clients this morning, but we are however able to prepare to defend or to challenge the application by the 6 applicants. We are just from court now, and we looked at the number of issues that we wanted to raise as preliminary points. After engaging representatives of the applicants, they considered that they did not have a strong case and that the case was likely to fall because it was flawed from the onset. So they eventually agreed to withdraw the matter, and the judge granted the withdrawal.
Mina ibizo lami ngu-Ernest Ndlovu. Bengisebenza ngingu-Secretary we-Province ye-Matabeleland South. Ngiyinomini ye-NEC. Indaba ebesihamba ngayo namhlanje ibingeyokuthi khona silungise i-party sithi adhere to the constitution, the policy and procedures of the party. So sibone namhlanje ke kufanele ukuthi njengoba sihlanganise amakhanda as ama-applicants lama-respondents sikulungisile sakubona ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sibambane sibuyele ekhethweni kuyekhethwa sibone ozawina uwinile ozadliwa udliwe, then we will forge a way forward as a party. I think from here on we will go strong and ZAPU will be stronger than ever. Thank you. Mina ibizo lami ngu-Ernest Ndlovu. Bengisebenza ngingu-secretary we-province ye-Matabeleland South. Ngiyi-nominee ye-NEC. Indaba ebesihamba ngayo namhlanje ibingeyokuthi khona silungise i-party sithi adhere to the constitution, the policy and procedures of the party. So sibone namhlanje ke kufanele ukuthi njengoba sihlanganise amakhanda as ama-applicants lama-respondents sikulungisile sakubona ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sibambane sibuyele ekhethweni kuyekhethwa sibone ozawina uwinile ozadliwa udliwe, then we will forge a way forward as a party. I think from here on we will go strong and ZAPU will be stronger than ever. Thank you.
My name is Ngobani from Novel Attorneys. I was representing the first respondent, that is ZAPU, in these proceedings. Yes, we got into court. We had a lengthy discussion with the applicants and the second respondent's representative. We have realized that there are certain issues that have to be attended to, which issues should not be deliberated or decided by the court. The parties can go back to the drawing board and deal with those issues. So, fortunately, the applicants were very reasonable, and it has been agreed that they withdraw this matter, and they've done so. The matter has been withdrawn, with each party bearing its own costs. So, it has been a fruitful engagement, and we hope that the better placed candidate wins today.